This video tutorial I will explain how to schedule a task only one time. Here I have defined a class cleanup timer task which extends timer task class and provide implementation of run method. Here I have defined a class timer demo. Here I have created cleanup timer task object. Then I have created timer object. Then I am calling schedule method of timer object and passing the cleanup timer task and passing the delay. Delay is 5000 milliseconds. So after this specific delay, this timer task will be executed. I am running this program. Here you can see after the specific delay, the cleanup timer task has been executed. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.